What's up everyone, my name is Khalid and you guys know that's my job to help you with whatever you need, whether it's personal finance, investing, fitness tips and personal advice. Especially in today's video, I want you making sure expanding in here too. I want you people to respect you. I want you people to talk to you. I want you to be a smart person. For that reason, you need to follow in today's video. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Number 1. Compliment. The most happiest thing to get from the strange person genuinely gives you a compliment. You could be having a bad day, but if somebody says something nice about you, suddenly your confidence go out of the roof. If you want people to respect you, if you want people to like you, what you gonna do in the morning or in the afternoon? You have to give compliment to anybody that you can change his or her bad day. Number 2. Don't judge early. Imagine this. When you are walking down on the streets, just you hear boom boom the Ferrari car. What is the first thought that comes to your mind? Just comment below. No edits, no filter. Just comment below. What is the first thing that comes to your mind? My guess is he's an idiot, selfish, just show off, probably not his money, anyway his daddy's money. If it's a lady, oh, that's a gold digger, right? All this negative, guess what? That you are judging to other people. My question is to you, how do you know? It's all made up of stories in your mind, right? He's not smart, she's not pretty. You are judging to other people by projecting your own value on other people. How do we know that man is not a hardworking man? How do we know that man is not a good husband? How do we know that man is a family man? Just you judge on your own conclusion, even before you are talking to the person. You see how your mind works. How we gonna be a successful? How we gonna be a rich? For that, the image that we have for the people who are already successful. So don't ever judge early. Number 3. Invest in your education. Investment in our education doesn't mean that we have to go to college or university. If we invest in our education, we can change the mindset. It can boost the confidence. Read the books like How to Win Friends and Influence People, The Magic of Thinking Big, Think and Grow Rich, Money Master of the Game, and so much more. Take courses about self-development, personal finance, watch videos. If you want to be smart, if you want to be respected by other people, invest in your education. Finally, number 4. Be social with the people. Of course, I want you to be smart person, happiest person. For that reason, you have to be social with the people. Doesn't matter if you have millions of money in the bank, you need to make sure you should have good relation with the people. Talk to them, learn from them, smile with them, support them. That makes you smart and respected person. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click subscribe, like and share to others to make them more handsome, more smart, more happiest and more respected people. That's for me today. See you next time.